What's going on, everybody? Eat all the birds. I made a Philly cheesesteak video the other night and it has tens of views, so I figured I'd do another one. This is Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. This time I'm using Steakum. If you don't know what that is, you probably should. You just need that, some egg roll wrappers. Little tip for that, when you don't use them all, put a wet paper towel in a Tupperware. They last for another week or so. Little vegetable oil and onion, 2 bell peppers, whatever color you like, and your favorite seasoning. Let's get the meat cooking. All right, the meat's done. Sorry I didn't show you that. There's the good stuff. I'm going to put that in there now, and we'll be right back. All right, let's talk seasoning. I like these two. I like Cavender's Greek and a little Lowry's seasoned salt, a little of both. Kind of covers all the bases. Between the two of them, they have pretty much everything in them. Very nice. Not too salty, but do what you like. All right, once you get the veg the way you like it, the meat goes back in. Notice I took my time and I got things kind of crispy. It's really worth it to do that. I mean, it's much, much nicer than having slimy food inside your egg roll. Now, very important step, you turn off the heat and you let this come to about 100 degrees, just above room temperature, even room temperature, before you start rolling your egg rolls. Do not try to roll them with hot mixture in the middle. So be right back and we'll start rolling them. Okay, roll up your filling in all kinds of different sizes and throw a Kraft single in each one of them, half of one anyway. So you've got some of the mixture, the bell pepper, onion, Steakums, and a half Kraft single in each egg roll. Again, make sure they don't match. Make sure they're all messed up like you don't care. Makes them tastier, and we'll go into the fryer. All right, almost done. Got a few more cooking. We're gonna cut one open for you here in a minute. You can check it out. All right, there it is. Delicious, heavy on the vegetables. It's fried, but you've got some veg going on. So remember, go to the restaurants to figure out what you like. Go to the grocery store to make it yourself. You're not made of money. And that's Eat All the Birds. Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. We'll see you in the next one.